Hey YouTube, it's your girl Tawanda Nicole.
Do we build it up, just to let it wash away? Tell me, did I lace you up, just to watch you run away?
Okay guys, so today we're doing something a little different. As you can tell, I got my headphones in and everything. So today's video is gonna be reacting to scary sounds. So basically how this works is you gotta have your headphones, right? Another device and something to blindfold yourself with. Something to blindfold yourself with. And so basically you get a random video off YouTube or whatever, and like you put your headphones in. You gotta have it like blasting, like maximum, like turned up to where your eardrums might blow out. Okay, it's like, no, I'm just kidding, but you do have to have the volume all the way up. You have to blindfold yourself, and basically what it is to like make you feel like you're there, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we're doing today, guys. And honestly, I did this video before, but I took it down, and that video got so many views for whatever reason. And hopefully this video gets as many views as that one did, and likes and things like that. So make sure y'all like this video. Yeah, so I'm gonna blindfold myself and we're gonna start this. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Keep showing me some love. I see y'all subscribing. Clock it. Sorry guys, but not gonna lie, I'm a little scared because the first time I did it, it was really scary because like, what? Like, yeah, so yeah, we're gonna get into this. And yeah, so basically, I don't know, I feel like I should make it more dimmer in my room. I'm not gonna like cut the light off because like y'all gotta see me, duh. But when I put this on, I won't be able to see, so it'll be pitch black dark. But I might close my curtains a little more to make it more dimmer, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. I don't know if that helped. Kind of made it a little more darker up in here. I don't know. But yeah, guys, we're gonna get into this video. As I said, make sure I like, comment, and subscribe. Share this to your friends, your family, whatever. Keep showing me some love. Yeah, I don't know, my heart is like it sounds like somebody running. What are they laughing for? I don't like that.
Ven, ven, oye, oye, despiértate, ven, ven, ¿dónde estás? Loco. No vengas, no vengas, no vengas. Ven, no, no, ya, no, por favor, no. Despierta. Despierta. Oye. ¡Despierta! Oye, ¿qué te pasa? Despierta. ¿Estás bien? ¿Estás bien? Despiértate. Despiértate. ¿Estás bien? Ven. Ven, despierta.
I'm scared it might be a jump scare or something. What is that?
Mommy, Mama, Mommy,
Oh, girl. Oh. Y'all are in my ear. Like, what is going on? Y'all. Ooh, hold on. That bright light is killing me. Hold on, I gotta fix my eyesight. Okay. I don't know. Honestly, that wasn't even all that scary. Like, it was like the whispering and all that. It was like going in and out. Like, it felt so weird. It was so weird. I don't know. It wasn't really all that scary. It was like interesting. Like, what's going on? Like, what is happening? Like, you know, I don't know. But I don't know. I got anxiety, so that felt it was really weird. But honestly, I might do a part 2 on this video because that one, like, I thought it was gonna be more scarier or whatever, but it wasn't really that scary. Say that, but yeah. Let me see. So when you want to like look up scary sounds, look up holophonic, something like that. Holophonic sounds, whatever. Y'all, my vision is still blurry. I can't see. But yeah, guys, that's all for this video. If you like this video, make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe, baby. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you.
I mean, he was Adam, I think I was Eve. But my vision ends with an apple on a tree. That's on my chest cause I'm ready to save him. Ready to give